Ah, what are my plans for today? Showing my feet? But I think I need to color my feet. It's dirty. Yeah, I just finished my. My. I think I have here, but I cannot do it right, guys. I, because I have here a nails for here. I wanted white. But I cannot do it because I go to school, I wear shoes, I walk. Then it will not be good. I found love. But this is too big. This is for a man. Nails. Please keep the comments clean and friendly. Two times. Yeah, I cannot sleep Bakastok because I still do my homework. You see, I will gonna show you, okay? Look. This is what I'm studying now. This is all. Yeah, here you can see the percent that you did. This is really a lot, Bakastok, to answer. It's not answered yet, huh? This is not started yet. Imagine. How can that be? And then, and my head is aching, you know. So I don't know until when I can do it. Which is very tiny. I think this is for here. No. I think this is for here, like that. Or like, this is plastic. I think we need to. I found love. Is your homework done for today, Nikki? Yeah, it's done. But there is others. I thought, Bakastok, that the teacher in the class, we have discussed something. And then we also do it here, online. So it's like same in the class, and then we do it there so they can check automatically. I did not know it since I've started. So yesterday, the teacher said, look at the safers, look at there. And that you will see how you doing about in the class. So if there's something, you can review it, you can answer again and again until it's 100%. So I did. But it's really not, you know.